Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at finding gradient and y-intercept from the equation of a straight line. So this equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, and m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So equations of straight lines, they do not always come in this format. Sometimes they come in a different format, and you should be able to change all the other formats to this general equation so that you'll be able to find the gradient and the y-intercept. For example, if we have an equation 4x plus 2y is equal to 4, and you are asked to find m and c, which is gradient, and y-intercept, you need to change this equation to this format. So here I'm going to take 4x to the right hand side, it becomes negative, and then I divide throughout by 2. I'm going to end up with y is equal to minus 2x plus 2. So once the equation is represented in this way, I can find m and c, which means here m is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 2. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say I have an equation 8x plus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. The same way, we need to make y the substitutive formula and take everything else to the right hand side. So here I'm going to say 5y is equal to minus 8x plus 4. Then I divide throughout by 5, and y is going to be equal to minus 8 over 5x plus 4 over 5. So m is equal to minus 8 over 5, and c is equal to 4 over 5. So that's how you would find the gradient and the y-intercept. So y-intercept is the point at which the straight line crosses the y-axis. Let's say I have a Cartesian drawing, this line representing the y-axis and this one representing the x-axis. So along the y-axis, x is equal to 0, and along the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So let's say I have a straight line like this, that is cutting the x-axis at point 4 and cutting the y-axis at point 6. So let's say this is A and this is B. So we are saying the coordinates of A is 0, 6, because we said the x coordinates along the y-axis is 0, will always be 0, right? And the y coordinates along the x-axis will always be 0. So here we say 4, 4, 0. So now we have the 2 points, and this one is we call it the origin, and origin always is 0, 0. Okay, so now if we are asked to find the equation of straight line AB, now we would find the gradient. So we can say 0 minus 6 over 4 minus 0, we get minus 6 over 4, which gives us minus 3 over 2. So now we come to the equation of a straight line. We substitute the gradient m by minus 3 over 2. Then you use any of the 2 points. So I'm going to use this one. 4 is my x and 0 is my y. So y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. So now we're going to use this equation to find the value of c. And here you're going to find that 6 is equal to c. So our equation will look like this. Y is equal to minus 3 over 2 x plus 6. So what I want you to take note of is this 6. I said this 6 is the y-intercept point where line cuts the y-axis, point where line cuts the y-axis. So if we go here to the Cartesian drawing, you're going to realize that this straight line is cutting the y-axis at point 6. So that's what I mean when I say y-intercept is the point where line cuts the y-axis. So that's all I had for you in today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.